If you're experiencing login issues on HealthChecks.io, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, attempt to log in using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to HealthChecks.io support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues effectively.